Say hello.
Hello.
To my little friend.
Wiring went well yesterday.
Today, not so much.
We've learned things though.
Yeah.
I don't know what those are, but oh fuck, this is just tiring. We're gonna fix that stupid little T in that nav light over there. Trevor can probably fix that actually.
Yeah, what about the T?
You can fix it.
What's wrong with it?
Remember, we're gonna move it down further.
Oh yeah.
Show them our disaster.
Yeah, that's our disaster right there. Whereas this one over here tucks all the way back up against the hole.
But it's also the end of the series, so it's less bullshit to deal with.
Yeah.
Not to downplay Trevor's handyman skills.
I'm the king! Alright, I'm gonna cut this and redo it.
Shirtless Trevor.
Yeah. Sexy.
Are you drawing a face?
One of these French.
Trevor's doing the heat shrink over there. We're fixing that. I'm gonna do the grounding block that goes down underneath there, right by where Trevor's crotch is, with the screw gun and some screws. That'll be fun for him. And yeah, and then I'm gonna try and run the wires down to there, ignore the mess. Again, that'll all get cleaned up. But anything Trevor wants to add before he starts heat shrinking the heat shrink?
Nope.
Alright.
We're gonna heat shrink this motherfucker.
It's right behind you. Started from the bottom.
Now we're here.
It is a Harbor Freight heat gun. Oh, there it goes. I see progress.
Also have it on low too.
Yeah.
Stop stepping on me!
Sorry. You stay. Probably enough I can smell. Not bad enough, Trevor. I can smell it.
Nah, that's my body odor. Do you have to do that right here, right now?
Right here. Right now.
Why don't you attach the other side to the other side?
What do you call me?
Don't you have to attach that to the brown and black?
No, I don't have the right size heat shrink, remember?
Oh.
We had a whole conversation about that, Trevor.
We did. My brain don't want to. Alright. Do we want to test this really quick before...
How?
What do you mean how?
Oh, you said touch them together?
Well, these two, yeah.
How am I going to see the light?
Get up on top.
There's enough slack.
Is it right there?
This? Yeah, how are you going to hold this here and that there? Which I'm getting at.
Well, I could twist those together really quick, I guess.
Okay, so we're going to give it a shot.
And then...
Let me know when you're ready. I'll pop my head out and look. You can just do it. Put your back into it. I skipped that whole song about it. Listen to it on the way here. Totally straight. Perfectly parallel to the top and the bottom. Don't look at it.
Dear.
That'll go there. Oh, the batter.
There. Oh, you fucker.
What?
I got one in and then the other one slid out.
How much longer you want to do this for today?
I don't know. I mean, we're close.
Huh?
I mean, we're close to at least having this part, but like buttoned up. Where'd the heat gun? I kind of have to hold this. Do you know if the heat gun's right here? Where is it?
You want me to do this while you hold that?
Well, I can hold this. I just want to hold it. Yeah. We are professionals. Professionally out of shape.
Around this little shape.
Bruce.
As I was told.
Brucey.
Didn't bring any of the fucking fish, I think. So we know you have wool.
It's right by your like armpit and your side too.
This is the power from the battery. So the crimping works, huh?
Crimping ain't easy.
Where'd the GoPro go?
With your eyes, not with your heart. God. It's just really hard to feed it in there perfect every time. Alright, I think I've got that crimped in the right way.
Did you both do the same time?
No.
Let's see what happens. So, small change in plan for the wiring. There's Trevor. We don't have the right size heat shrink solder for some of the wire just because it's just too big, but we want to get the wiring done. So we're going to Ace Hardware real quick to buy butt connectors, which I'm not a fan of, but there is a bunch in the boat already. We're just going to put heat shrink over them just to help make a good tight seal.
Can you solder into a butt connector?
You can. I don't know why you would. I could grab like some,
well, at least
not Vaseline or whatever, but like something to put over it to make it one seal, and then just heat shrink over that, and that'll keep it out of the elements, I would think.
Well, so, yeah, I mean, at the very least, it'll get it legal to sail again, and then we can touch up things. Like, we're going to have to do touch-up paint. We're going to have to do, like, a little trim around some of it. Yada, yada, yada. So, we're getting there.
Yep. All right. Almost in the store. I can see it up there. I'm not happy about it. in any way, shape, or form. But we got butt connectors and got some other connectors for connecting them to the like grounding and all of that. I can use spade connectors, but I have a couple of those at home. So yeah, this is where we get the main part of the wiring done, ready. We can test it, make sure we flip the switch that it works, and then we'll know. And then I can just hook them onto the butt connector and we're good to go. So the biggest thing is getting the wiring ran around the back because it's a pain in the butt. Excuse you, Trevor.
Sorry.
And then going from there. So kind of a disheartening video. I don't know how to phrase it. We got some stuff done, but it feels like it's just we could always find random little shit that we're like, oh, this was the thing. So back to the boat, put the butt connectors, and then test the lights. Yep. Top button.
That's not true. I just pushed the top button. Side button's the power.
You can just push the top button and it'll just do the whole thing. I saw you push the side button.
Oh yeah, I turned it on.
Always watching Mike Wachowski. Alright, of course we had to put these in here.
Darn right.
Darn tootin'. Emphasis on the toot. 1, 2. These are gonna be too long now because I don't want them to go all the way through to where they get in each other's way.
Oh.
So I'm gonna come down to like, yeah, get that all over the fucking.
Smart. As opposed to just.
I never
over your
claimed to
hand
be.
or...
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this and cup it while I cut this. Give me your hand. No, I won't marry you. But this is kind of the catch-all for everything. It's been on its way out anyway. Alright. And then you just go like so. Like so.
Oh, it popped out the side.
Did it?
I think.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not.
Hit myself in the face with it. How's your day going? It's great. Where do you have a black eye? Trevor hit me. We fell down some stairs. I felt smart. So disappointed by this, but it is what it is. Ta-da! And then I go back here.
And you knocked over your coffee. That you're like, don't knock it over.
I think I drink it. Then I put the lid back on for it. This is gonna be the fun part. This is where you have to come do the old reach around. Can't see it till you feel. You gotta guide me here. Wait, I got it. Got one. I can't find the other one, Trevor.
You should be attached to each other.
But they're not. Ah. But they could be with some heat shrink. I need about a 6-inch strip of heat shrink, Trevor. I'm sorry. I don't have it.
All right.
Use the scissors. They're by my crotch. They're right there.
I'm grabbing heat shrink, you fool.
I know. You're gonna need the scissors too.
I understand that.
Nope. Grabbing by my crotch.
Oh. How much?
No, just no. Yeah, that's fine.
You look so annoyed. You're just like,
It's lost cause, folks.
Me?
Yeah, that's true. We can heat shrink it later. I just want to make sure this works before we leave, you know?
Yeah.
Black to black.
Back to black.
Wait, let's make that short. I need the scissors.
Cut one shorter.
The wire. I
We
exposed
can
all
always,
of it.
we can always tuck it up, right?
Huh?
We can always tuck it up.
No, I need to cut the. I exposed so much metal because I was going to try and heat shrink solder. Goodbye, thing. Back. This is going swimmingly. Puns.
Boat puns.
All right, and then what the shit? No. Fuck. That didn't go like it was supposed to go at all. Don't do that. Bad, Trevor.
What a coincidence. Didn't go the way it was supposed to. On this boat?
On this
on
YouTube
this
channel?
project? On this project? On this channel?
Do me a favor.
Maybe.
That actually just hold that up. Put the black one in the middle of this. Use my crotch to hold it in place.
Black one.
The black wire in the middle. No, hold it back so I can get the blue on it. And thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
I got all fucking jacked up when I cut it. I don't understand why though. I don't know anymore, Trevor. I'm just like living life.
Mm-hmm. Living your best life.
It's not going in there like it should. There we go. There we go. Oh, the joys of being right-handed. Trying to do everything with one hand.
Gotta practice, dude. Gotta get that switch hitting going.
Stranger.
Well, did we even remember what the black and the brown were?
Already done. I would assume it's ground. Should be able to now. Those are connected.
Alright.
What is it? Every light theoretically should work.
Well, of the three, not the entire boat, right?
Well, that's the only three that are lights.
I thought we had one on the top.
No, that one gets pulled up. It's that yellow and black wire over here that we cut.
Yeah.
That's what that wire's for.
Okay, well, let's see what happens. Yeah.
That would be a good giveaway on that side.
Yep.
Or port, rather.
Yep, I can see that one, the green.
Alright, and the other one should be good too. Trevor, we have power!
Yep.
Nice. We totally know what we're doing.
Yes. All right, we got power. It's the power hour.
I was gonna cut the old plug. You can't see it from there. I was just gonna cut the old one off the other one and just splice it into the new radio.
Yeah, I guess you could come tomorrow and do that.
And then the radio should, and I can hook the battery up. We got beer to have though.
Yeah, we definitely earned a beer now.
Hi, lighter died. Match time.
Ah, it's hot.
Huh, wood on wood, perfect. That should be good enough though. I can see the solder coming out. It'll work. Yeah, so here's what I got done back at the house. This rat's nest, plus this. So as you saw, we came back from, the navigation lights work, but we have to finish doing the wiring. So this is going to be a ground wire that goes to the same block that all the stuff went to before. And then these will all tee into that. These will go off into radio, compass, and there was one other thing that went into that junction, so I figure I might as well have this as well. But yeah, that should do it as far as all this wiring goes. So this side has all of this. This side has the stuff that goes into the relay, the switch panel, and then this goes into the ground block. So they go off to the end of that to continue the grounds for all of these. So these will be powered into that. This will go into that ground block that I screwed in earlier to make life easier for me. And yeah, so tomorrow's episode, or still part of this episode, probably the same week, we'll be putting all of this rat's nest in. I'm gonna probably, actually I know I'm going to put heat shrink solder around the whole thing. It'll be a pain in the butt, but I can do it. Not heat shrink, but just heat shrink around most of it, just to kind of make it cleaner, tighter, and look nicer. And then I bought, you can't see it yet, but you'll see it tomorrow, 1/4 inch trim to hold up the wire thing and the lights. I got a lot to get done tomorrow. So right now, I'm gonna take a break for now. Wiring was the biggest thing I wanted to get done today. That's now done. And then later tonight, after I cool off a little bit because I'm sweaty in the garage, I'm going to cut the plywood or something into little 1 by 1 inch squares that I will then epoxy resin onto the side of the hull, so that I screw into that and not to the hull. So that way, anything in the future, if anybody ever wants to change anything, they're not taking holes out of the hull or leaving holes in the hull. They're taking off blocks of whatever if they choose to. It'll probably be 3,000 and 4,000 in, so that it can still be removed with force. Maybe epoxy resin, I'm not sure. Basically, the wires will go in, those little 1 by 1 inch squares will go in, the trim will go in. That should cover everything, I think. And then I'm gonna also put the track for the RF radio or the CB radio and everything up to hide that wiring as well. That's what that other one can do. I can do one more. That's what that'll go to instead of the cigarette lighter. Perfect. All right, we're good to go. Bye-bye.
You see the button there? Subscribe and hit that bell. And if you already subscribed and hit that bell, hit that like button. If you can.
Oh, I ran out of memory card, maybe?
What were you saying, Trevor? So with what? Well, I was saying no pun intended, but all this like wiring on the boat. Well, now I fucked it up, so we gotta do it again. Go ahead. Yeah, it's all just kind of fly by wire, you know. It's like we come out with the best intentions, and then we should have all these other little tools and all these other little things for like little nooks and areas of the boat that we can't reach easily.